Hey guys, what happening? My name's Jen, and today you've read the title. I'm going to be doing another unboxing. I know you've seen it in the previous videos, but you haven't actually seen what's inside of it, if I'm correct. But anyway, I'm still going to do an unboxing for you guys. Laser X. Let's go. So basically, here's the Laser X pack. I basically got the 2-player pack. Let me just get it all out. This is a big package. Look, that kid looks like he's having fun right there. Look, he's like, yeah. That looks pretty cool. He has full health still. Well, I'm expecting because let's get it all up. Let's put it on the ground. Here's the first gun. Sorry about that, guys. I'll show you guys a bit. Why not? Anyway, you start off with this gun. Here's your gun. Make sure you choose which team you want to be on, but I don't think it has batteries. I was wrong. Say if you want to be red. Say if you want to be both. Say if you want to be blue. You're blue. Okay, there's already batteries. I guess that's okay. I guess some of them comes with batteries and some doesn't. But no, let's get the second gun out. Same thing. Here we go. And I just get the camera so you actually see what you get. Let's get it, guys. Here's the box. Don't know how much this is, but I bet it's worth it because basically it's like laser tag. Basically, someone's it, and basically you have to avoid their other team before they shoot you. Look, this is what you get. This is the 2-player starter pack. This is the 2-player pack. Let me just get it. Sorry about that, guys. Right, here we go. Look, this is what you get. Get 2 laser guns. Get 2 laser vests. I'll just show you how you put all this on. I will. Right, here's my vest. Say if I was playing with another person, but I don't think I haven't got any friends. Well, I do have friends, they're just outside. It's dark right now. But I expect. Right, you put this over your head, the middle part, and then you put the 2 ones right here. There, it's on you. It's easier with all the lights off because then you actually can be. They just turn off my telly. There we go. Now it's actually pretty cool. They just turn off the last light as well so you can see better. See? We got it right, guys. Basically, you have to hold. Let me just. Let's turn on this. Basically, you need to hold in this button and then, like, go like that down. Ready? Now it's loaded. Then you have to try and shoot the vest. This says. And then, look, like to give a demonstration. You have to basically shoot them. Let's turn this one on so you can see what it's like. They're blue, ready? That's a load. Look at that. Ready? See?
Get out of here! You only have 2 hits left.
He only has 2 lives left, I think. Look. 1.
This is your last hit.
See?
You're done.
When it says game over, basically, he's actually game over. He's out of the game. And then, say if you were playing with a group of friends, they're the last ones standing, basically. They're the last ones who keep on playing. So yeah, pretty good game. You can play it. Guys, it's a kid's game. It's an adult game. It's even a teenager game. Everyone can play this. They welcome to play with this there. And guys, you might, if you can come, maybe if you can come and find me, because some people can come and find me, then you can come and play Laser X with me. again. You can have it be red, like I said before. You can have it be blue, or you can have it be both. But I would recommend being red or blue because basically the two colours combined, that's a little weird. I just turned back on the light. Sorry about that. Yeah, pretty good game. You're welcome to play with family. I don't know what that is though. There's headphones as well. You can put headphones in as well. So I think you can talk to your teammates while you're on the run. And guys, big shout out to Planet Security or something. Anyway, big shout out to her. She watched my videos. She said, well done to getting 1,000 subscribers. Nice job getting to 400 subscribers. Nice job. She did a hide and seek video earlier, she did. We're off school for a week, so I'm probably going to be doing lots of uploads in the mornings or in the afternoons or in the middle of the day. So I might make a video on this tomorrow with my friend Cole. I don't know. I might. Guys, rewind the video and see what happened. Oh my god. Ah. Oh man. That it. Anyway, guys, I might. Oh my. Still don't know what I'm gonna get with this. Oh god, it's so heavy. Oh, oh my god, still. There we go. Still, yeah. Please rest, guys. Go and get the game. It's at Toys R Us. I think it's at Tesco's. And I think it might be on Amazon. I don't know. Still, go get the game. Anyway, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. Bye. One thing, guys, subscribe. Bye, guys. Peace, guys. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for we might do this tomorrow, okay? Anyway, bye, guys.